Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so a lot of you asked me, how do I buy your pen, Steph? As I've mentioned in other videos, dead simple. If you see a pen that you're interested in, then just simply get in touch with me. Here's an example of, well, one customer who saw these pens and reserved them subject to full restoration. Now all these pens, 5, and we'll show you this one in a minute, are now fully restored, full working order and ready to be shipped to the customer. So nice and simple. If in doubt, just enquire. But as I say, this is basically just one customer who saw these pens and reserved them. Now the one at the back here was from a pen haul that I did quite a while ago. It's actually a commemorative set. It's, well, if you look there, it says ER and then 1953, so Elizabeth Regina, and the 1953 is when she, well, the coronation. So this will be a coronation set, if you like, for Queen Elizabeth. And well, from the, well, unfortunately, because she passed away recently, rest in peace, Mom, I'm sure they'll become more collectible. And then what he did then is reserve these pens here, so let's go through them very quickly. There you go, an absolutely gorgeous teal blue Parker 45. It's got a 14 karat gold nib. I don't know if you can actually see it to the back. It's got the letter F indicating that it's a fine nib. So these teal blues are quite unusual. It's got gold plated trim, made in England, I believe. I can't quite see over the camera. This is a cartridge converter, so what we'll do, we'll send the customer a couple of cartridges if he wants to use this particular pen. Next to it, another Parker. Look at that, an absolutely gorgeous blue. And this one, if we take the cap off for you, look at that, a Parker 61. It still has the inlaid arrow in absolutely superb condition. As I'm talking to you, I'm trying to think of the name of this particular colour. It's not teal blue. I forget the colour. Hopefully it'll come to me as I'm actually talking to you. The lovely thing about this particular pen, there you go, look at that. It's what we term as a capillary filler, and you can see all the coating there is still nice and clean. A lot of these are actually scratched, etc. This has been fully cleaned internally, so the capillary filler now has been flushed out. It now flushes and it comes through clean water, so it's ready for the customer to put his favourite ink in the pen. And I've just remembered the name of the colour. It's Vista Blue. Again, one of the unusual colours in the Parker range. So let's pop that down in the centre here. There we go, absolutely gorgeous burgundy. And if we take the cap off for you, look at that. This is a burgundy Parker 65 fountain pen. This one, if we unscrew it, you can see has got the aerometric type filler inside. Once again, it's been fully disassembled, fully cleaned internally, so everything is ready to go for the customer in stunning condition. It's got the gold filled cap there, as you can see, no dints or dangs, etc. in gorgeous condition. Now here's one, an absolutely beautiful. This is actually the Waterman W5 fountain pen. I had two of these. One has already been sold. This chap has actually reserved this one, the second one. I did a review on it, so if you want to have a look at it in more detail, go and take a look. Again, in absolutely gorgeous condition. Okay, it's got a lovely, quite a large nib on these particular pens. These are actually sort of, the W5 I believe is sort of not the top of the range, but you know, they were at the top as far as the sort of range of pens from Waterman of that particular period. Absolutely superb. Comes in, well, this sort of stepped Art Deco clip there, as you can see, and a stud to the top. Again, fully disassembled, all cleaned internally, brand new sack installed. You can see this one's a lever with this box lever there. Again, stunning condition. And last, there we go, an absolutely lovely Pelican 120 in green and black with the ink view window. This one's a piston filler, and again, if you want to see this in a little bit more detail, I did a review not long ago, so go and take a look at the review if you'd like to see it in more detail. So there we have it. So all in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 absolutely gorgeous, stunning fountain pens. Oh, and the other set, the coronation set as well. These are now all ready to be shipped to the customer. So there you have it. I just thought I'd show you, see, to show you that people do buy the pens, people do reserve these pens. So, you know, again, if you don't ask, you will never know. So quite simply, if there's anything of interest that you're looking for, send me an email and let's see if we can be of help. But from me and these pens, these gorgeous pens, first of all, I'd like to say Slavo Ukraini and bye bye from me and these lovely pens. So bye bye for now.